We got a few more inches of snow last night. Check out that picnic table over there. See how tall that snow is on that thing? Yeah. So I'm gonna jump on my little mini skid here, my DRT 450. I've already been on it a little bit today, and I'm gonna go all the way down the road, and I'm gonna make a path to leave today, because we're gonna want to leave here at some point in time. Day 2 of Oklahoma snowpocalypse, and I've got to get my trucks out of here tomorrow. We got to go home, and we've got almost a foot of snow on the ground. And so what tool do I have to clear the road? I've got my trusty old DRT 450. So I've been running up and down the road and playing with this thing, and I'm going to clear a path so that I can get out of here, because there are no plows out here at the cabin. There's nobody out here, it's just us. But I've got this big long road, and I've got to get my ambulance and trailer, and I've got to get my Escalade out of here, which is all-wheel drive, but the bumper's not a foot off the ground, so it would be a snowplow. And I'm going to get my DRT 450, I'm going to get my little auction mini skid, I'm going to try to get my 2 Kimron mini excavators all loaded on my 24-foot equipment trailer and get them out of here and bring them back home tomorrow. So I'm working on doing some plowing here. Also, we've got some neighboring cabins nobody's at now, and it rarely snows in Oklahoma. So I've got my drone, and I'm going to get some pictures of all their cabins and send them to all the owners, so they'll have really cool snow photos. So come along with me. Let's see how this thing does in plowing this. Now, I've only got 42 inches to work with, and vehicles are quite a bit wider than that. So I'm going to make a pass down and a pass back. And as it starts to melt, because the snow's so thin here, like you can see where I've already done right here, it'll start to melt in that area, and I'll be in good shape. So wish me luck. Let's see how this works. I've already made one pass down the road here, and I've learned a few things. One, this is a shale road, so I can't just leave it on the ground, and I'll be scraping up dirt and shale. So I have to keep it just above the road. But as the machine goes up a hill, the bucket comes up, as it goes up, and then the machine tilts and it goes down. So you get into that, and you might get into a pattern of making some whoops. It's the weirdest thing. I'll show you a little further down the road here where that's happened to me, but it's really hard to undo that once you get into it. I don't know exactly how I've started it, but I've learned if that happens, just get a flat spot, put the blade down a little further on the bucket, and just plow those whoops out. So anyway, jump into it. It might take 3 passes to get the width that I need here.